Good morning, children. Today I am going to give you tongue and teeth lesson question answers and hard words. See, these are the hard words. Yes, open your classwork, fresh page, put today's date and start writing these hard words. After hard words, beside you write one time homework. Then after you write question answers. See what are the hard words? Tongue, tongue. Swallowed, swallowed. Taste, taste. Buds, buds. Taste buds. Incissors, incisors. Canines, canines. Healthier, healthier. Enamel. Plaque. Yes, permanent. 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 Flexible. 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 Okay, once more I'm saying. What is this? Tongue. What is this? Swallowed. Taste buds. Incisors. Canines. Healthier. Enamel. Plaque. Permanent. Flexible. Okay, now we are going to write hard words, children. Sorry, now we are going to write question and answers. Come on, write the question. Next page you'll open. Put heading as question and answers. Now you start writing question answers. Yes. First question. Question and answers. Question and answer. Okay, what is the first question, children? Describe the tongue. Tongue, tongue. Describe the tongue. What is the answer? Tongue is a flexible, flexible, muscular organ. Okay. Now second point. This is first point. Now second point, children. It enables us to lick, taste, swallow and speak. Swallow and speak. Third point. Tongue help us to eat and talk. Yes, it has taste buds. Fourth point. It has taste buds. Okay, come on, write now. Look at the answer. Tongue is a flexible muscular organ. Second point. It enables us to lick. Lick ante नाकड़म. ऐसा करते ना, टंग से लिक करते ना आइसक्रीम को. Yes. Taste, swallow and speak. Tongue helps us to eat and talk. It has taste buds. Over. This is your first answer. Yes. Copy next one. What I am giving you all. What are temporary and permanent teeth? Next question. What are, second question, children. What are temporary and permanent teeth? Permanent Permanent. Permanent teeth. Yes, what are temporary and permanent teeth? Yes, what are temporary teeth and permanent teeth, children? Answer. Temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. Temporary teeth are also called milk teeth. And are 20 in number. Are 20 in number. Yes. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth last for many years. Last over many years. Many years and are 32 and are 32 in number. Over. Come on, right. This is your answer. About the kinds of teeth. And there are 4 kinds of teeth. 4 kinds of teeth, children. There are 4 kinds of teeth. What are they? First one, incisors. Incisors. Okay? Used for biting food. Used for biting food. Okay? Second one, what is the second type? Canines. Canines. Used for tearing food. Yes, third one, premolars. Premolars. Premolars are used for premolars. Used to grind and mash the food. Used to grind and mash the food. The food. Okay. What is the next one, children? Fourth one, molar. Used for vigorous chewing. Used for vigorous chewing. Vigorous. Vigorous. Vigo. Fourth type I am writing up, children. It is not seen down, so I am writing up. Molars. Molars used for vigorous. Vigorous. Vigorous chewing of food. Okay, children, these are the 4 types of teeth. See, I wrote 1, 2, 3, fourth one is up. Yes? Yes, children. Yes. Now, we are going to do textbook. Yes, shall I rub this answer? See, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, I am rubbing this answer. Now, we are going to do our textbook exercises. Go to open your textbook page number 139. Page number 139, children. Page number 139. Have you all opened page number 139, children? Start doing now. Yes, page number 139. Yes. Second bit. First one. There are 12 molars. C. Come on, write C, children. Yes. Second one. Dash help to tear food. Canines help to tear food, children. Yes. Which type of teeth help to tear food? Canines. B. Come on, write B. Third one. Temporary teeth are dash in number. 20 in number. A. Fourth one. Nerves and blood vessels are dash in the pulp. Nerves and blood vessels are present in the pulp. Yes. The tiny bumps on the surface of the tongue are called taste buds. Taste buds. Over second bit. Shall I write third bit, children, now? Tongue and teeth together help us to eat and talk. True, first one. Second one. You should brush your teeth only once a day. No, twice. False. Third one. Incisors help to grind and chew food. No, false. Incisors help to bit the food. Yes. Our tongue cannot taste bitter things. No, false. It is also our tongue can taste. Canines are used for. This is also false. Now, this next bit, children, you are going to write the parts of the teeth. Looking at the picture in your term book. Okay, this bit. You are going to do by yourself. Followed? వీటి నేమ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ చూసి यहाँ पर देख लेके आप यहाँ पर लिख लो. ठीक है? Yes. Now, fifth bit, page number 137, children. 137. Page number 137. The hardest substance in the human body is? Which is the hardest substance in the human body, children? Yes. The hardest substance, enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Permanent teeth start growing at the age of? Yes, at the age of? Permanent teeth start growing at the age of 8. At the age of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now third one, children. I am writing third one here. You have dash incisors in each jaw. How many incisors do we have in each jaw? 4 in each jaw. 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Fourth one. Tongue is a dash flexible F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. Flexible muscular, M-U-S-C-U-L-A-R. Over, children, with this. Yes, here also activity zone. You have to do it by yourself. ఓకే, ఇందులో ఇది పజిల్ లాగా ఉంది. ఇందులో వర్డ్స్ మీరే వెతికి సర్కిల్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.